Australia is one of those places where when you talk about population, the first thing that comes to mind isn't people. Because honestly, kangaroos run the show there. Their population is actually higher than the number of humans living in the whole country. A few years ago, Australia had around 26 million people. But kangaroos, over 50 million, almost double the humans. Now imagine walking into a small town and instead of seeing cats or dogs, there's a kangaroo chilling like your neighbor. There are so many of them that some roads even have warning signs saying, "Kangaroo crossing." It's basically like someone telling you, "Careful, a kangaroo might jump out during your overtake." These adorable creatures aren't just many, they're fun and full of energy. Their legs are insanely strong. One jump can have more bounce than a car spring. When they leap, it's like they're making fun of gravity. The reason there are so many is pretty simple. Australia's climate. Open lands, dry areas, endless grass. It's a perfect paradise for kangaroos. They've lived next to indigenous Australians for thousands of years. And honestly, it still feels like the country belongs more to them than to humans. Sometimes the Australian government even has to control their numbers to protect the ecosystem. But still, they keep growing. And every year, they seem to get even more ahead of humans. If you ever travel to Australia, the chance of seeing a kangaroo is higher than the chance someone tells you hello. Because they're literally everywhere. Sometimes by the road. Sometimes in the fields. Sometimes even close to the cities. Basically, in Australia, you're a human, but kind of a guest. And the true hosts are these energetic, bouncy kangaroos. A country with 26 million humans, but 50 million kangaroos. Which pretty much means Australia is the land of kangaroos. Not humans.